Hey everyone, so this is a demo video of the product LeadKoi.com. It's my personal product and I recently launched it, so I thought a demo video will be very helpful for the users. So basically LeadKoi is a artificial intelligence chatbot agent that sits on your website and convert leads intelligently 24/7 while you are sleeping. So let me go through with the functionality of this product. So first of all, if you are curious about how you can start, just click here or in the pricing page, or basically you can just click on start hunting and it's gonna take you here. You continue with Google, and once you do it, it will take you to the pricing page. And on the pricing page we have three tiers. The one is starter. It's for like if you have one website, one domain, you can go with the start plan, which is $49 per month, and it offers you up to 1000 confirmed leads per month. One website, like you can make this agent live on one website, and 10-page knowledge base, which means this agent will go through 10 pages maximum of your website, like 10 pages knowledge. I'm going to explain you in detail after, once we go to the dashboard. And we don't have traffic source tracking, which is available in growth plan. So growth plan is for $149 per month, and if you have 3 websites, you can go with this plan. So it allows 15,000 confirmed leads, which means 5,000 per website. You will get three AI agents that you can put on 3 different sites, 3 different domains, and each domain will get you 5,000 leads. So the total is 15,000 per month. Deep training. So each agent will train on 30 pages of your website. Here it's just 10 pages. Here each agent trains on 30 pages of your website. Unique visitor count. We also show how many unique visitors landed on your website, or this agent calculates how many unique visitors landed on your website. And traffic source tracking, which means from where your traffic is coming on your website, from a link, from some LLM or Google ad or whatever. And then we have custom plan, which you can contact to get more details. It has up to 50k leads, 10 plus agents, and a lot of perks. So let's go towards login and go towards the dashboard. So it's going to verify the workspace once you log in, and here is the dashboard. I'm just going to remove this so you can see the screen. Alright, so this is our dashboard. Here is the preview, like how it will look like, and this is our chatbot. So first of all, we go through authorized domain, which means on what domain your agent will be live. So you just come up here. It's gonna show you like this. Just put your domain, the main domain here, and click on train and connect. So it's gonna take up to 1 minute maximum, and it's gonna train. It's gonna go through all the pages of your website based on the plan you purchased, and it's gonna train itself on the data available on your website. So basically it knows everything about your website, and it's necessary, so it can tackle every kind of query or question from the traffic that you are getting on your website, and so it can handle them and try to convert them. Plus we have manual knowledge. You can upload a PDF here. In that PDF you can tell in detail more about your website or product, like if something is not mentioned on your website, or if you want to set some custom rules or specific data, you can upload it here, and our agent will prioritize this data set over this training, which means if you uploaded a PDF, it's gonna go through this first, and then it's gonna go through the data it scrapped from your website. And then we have this personality. You can change the name and you can customize it for your website. Let's say you can just add a name of your website here, and you can write agent. For example, if I say crypto capital agent, so your website name is crypto capital, so you just name it crypto capital agent here, and it's gonna go like this. Now the important part is we have three main personalities of our agents. If you want this agent to be a salesperson on your website, choose this one, the sales. It's gonna close the sales for you. It's gonna try and talk in a way so that it capture more leads. So the main goal of this personality is to capture more leads for you and do sales. This one is for support, like if you want your users like guidance and support, choose this personality. And then we have diplomat. It's gonna basically help them. We got notification here that our agent is trained, and once it's trained, you're gonna get a script to embed on your website. We are gonna do it now in few minutes. Just hold on, and I'm gonna teach you also that. Also we have diplomat. It's for for professionals, those who wanna we can say like it's gonna be a diplomat agent for you. And then we have this option, conversion goal. In conversion, and then we have this option, conversion goal. In conversion goal, like you can tell your agent you want book a calendar meeting or capture email form, so it's gonna work accordingly. If you have selected book a calendar meeting, at the end of the chat or when it's about to convert, it's gonna pop up a calendar meeting link, and the user can just select join a meeting from there. Or if you want to capture lead via form, you can just click form, and it's gonna pop up a form to the lead, so we can get the name, email, and the message from the lead. Then we have closing message, like once the user submitted form, what closing message you wanna show them, so you can change it here. Then we have integration for webhooks. You can just paste the link here for the webhook and it will be integrated. Then we have different visual identities. We have Bluebot, we have Salesforce, and a lot of interactive avatars that you can use, or you can just upload a custom logo, your personal image here in WebP format. That's important because we only accept WebP format. Then we have styles. Now we can also customize our agent. For example, you have three themes. Liquid glass, midnight means it's gonna be dark, black, and Cupertino means like Apple style. So whatever you want, you can choose it from here based on the theme of your website. We created this agent, this product, while making sure that this agent, when it's on your website, it looks like a part of your website. And then we have brand colors. You can change the brand colors here. You can just replace it here, or you can select from here. Then we can also customize the chat window. For example, if I click here, this is our chat window. You can change this color, which is this one. You can change the text color here, and it's gonna change here. Then you can change the user bubble color. You can change the AI bubble color, and a lot of things. And then you can also change the widget placement. Right now it's in the center of screen like this. If you place it at the bottom, it's gonna go in the bottom of the screen. So these are all the things for this configuration tab. Then we have analytics tab, and here we see the analytics of our product. So for example, if you are on a starter plan, you're gonna see how many leads are captured so far. Like right now it's 7 out of 1000 leads, total unique visitors, top sources. This feature is not available in starter, so you have to upgrade to growth if you want this. So here we have 7 leads captured and we have 13 active conversations, which means our widget is chatting with these users and trying to convert them into a lead, and once it's converted it's gonna show up here. Then we have these leads captured. So this lead says high intent, requested meeting or calendar. So this lead was booked for a meeting, so that's why it's showing up like this. Then we have our chat summary, like what this lead was interested in most. So this visitor is seeking information about, so we tell what our conversation was about, and at the end they requested a meeting and they booked a meeting, so lead is captured. Then we have the journey. Here in the journey, like what path or what pages our lead has gone through before we booked them. For example, our lead came on the website, they landed on homepage, then from homepage they went to like pricing page, contact page, and then we captured them, and it's gonna show up here in the path like this. Here the lead came on home, it went to about us, then pricing, then blog, and then came back to home, and then they clicked on the widget and we started talking and we converted them, or we are still talking to them. So this is the user journey, which is important to understand the user experience and where user is like struggling and we can fix it. So we have the AI summary of every chat, and if there is no chat, like they came and they just said yeah I'm ready in the first message, then there is no summary. So this is all about analytics. Now let's go towards the functionality and let's implement this widget on some website. So if I wanna implement these changes, I have to come up here and click on save configurations, and once the configurations are saved, I'm gonna get this message, and now I will go here. I have this template, I'm gonna use it for a demo. So it's so easy to integrate LeadKoi agent. I just copy that script here, I come up here and go inside the settings. This is a framer, platformframer.com. You can use it on Webflow, Squarespace, or even on any kind of website like Shopify or whatever. Even if you have a custom website, custom coded, you can still integrate it. Just come up here, custom code, add script, name the script LeadKoi agent. I paste the script here, add it, that's it. Now our agent is integrated because we already trained our agent on this domain, and we just paste the script here and now it's integrated. Let's go and see the results. So we have something called as user intent. Right now our agent is hidden because user just landed on the website, and once the user covered the 50% distance of the website, like of this page, it's gonna pop up because user might be confused. So we don't just stay here all the time, we do smart work and don't annoy the user and just pop up once it's necessary. Or we can refresh, and if I try to leave the website like this, it's gonna pop up. So once I try to leave the website, it's gonna pop up. This is another trigger that we introduced here. like again if I try to go out like this or like this outside of the website, it's gonna pop up. Or if the user is gonna try to copy some word by just highlighting and pressing Ctrl C or Command C, it's gonna pop up. So we also have these hooks here, like to engage the user here. And for example, right now I landed on home page, and from home page I'm going to about page, and about page I'm going to Teams page. So now my journey is home, about, and team. So my user journey will be home, about, and teams, which will show up on my dashboard. And if I, let's say I'm a user and it's saying wondering about our team's qualifications, let's chat. So yeah, I'm interested in, I'm gonna click here and we'll start a chat. Hey, how are you? And if I'm interested in Dr. Emily Parker, so I'm gonna talk to him about this doctor. Okay, so hey, so I'm interested in your services, but I'm interested in knowing more about Dr. Emily Parker in your team. So it's going to tell me about this specific doctor here. Dr. Emily Parker is a clinical psychologist dedicated to helping individuals, or I should talk about, or I say, which specific doctor suits more with stress issues from your team. So it's going to recommend me Dr. Jack Wilson, which is this one. So yeah, because this AI knows everything about my website, which is the beauty of it, and it's gonna try its best humanistically to convert every user. And okay, I should say, okay, I am interested in your services, what's or how we can proceed. Yes, sure. My name is so now I can schedule a call here, because in the dashboard I have selected book a calendar meeting, but if I have selected capture email form, it should have shooted me a lead form here with name, email, and message. Click here and it's gonna pop up a Calendly link like this. You can book a meeting and your lead is closed. If I go here, I have lead showing up here. The conversation was about mental health service and is learning more about Dr. Emily Parker and stress management options. So it's gonna show up here like this, and this is our user journey path: home, about, and team. So this is our product, and this is the overview of LeadKoi.com, and I hope that was helpful. So yeah, if you have any questions, just drop a comment and I'm gonna reply you with that. Thank you so much.